And thank you to our Brat fans for the endless support and love. We love you guys. We love you.
Hey friends! These past 2 weeks have been quite the struggle, to put it plainly. We've just been trying to film any video, really. I told everyone that I was going to film how our restock works, like exactly what goes on in like the 2-week span. It's a hard video to make. 2 weeks worth of footage is like a lot. I also don't have a vlog camera. If you didn't notice, I'm filming on my iPhone, so it's just like a lot of storage, and I just like I like kept forgetting. So Noel and I went shopping recently, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna vlog. We're gonna like do something, like something for content. We just were so out of it that day. Barely got any sleep, like didn't eat any breakfast. We were running off of a rock star. We just like weren't in a vloggy kind of mood. We wanted to give you something, anything. We don't want our YouTube channel to be just this like dead promise that we made. So I'm coming at you guys with a style bundle video. These are super popular right now. This past restock we got a bunch of really cool style bundles, like a bunch of really cool aesthetics, and we are really proud of all of them. This is your spoiler warning right now. If you ordered on the 30th of January, there's a very good chance that your bundle will be shown in this. So if you want your bundle to be a surprise and like everything to be a surprise, don't watch this video. I'm not going to be showing all of the bundles. We do have quite a lot, and that would be a documentary. So I'm just going to be showing some of my personal favorites. Obviously, all the bundles that we do are super fun. I'm just going to be showing you guys what we gave them. I'm going to be showing you guys what they asked for and stuff. So yeah, let's get started with that. Also, for those of you who watched our last video, our very first YouTube video, we said that we'd be doing shout out. Here's our shout out, our very first shout out. We loved this one from a girl named Mika's Wonderland, and she said, I love both of your vibes. OMG, I'm broke as fuck, but hopefully I can buy a bundle from you guys one day. Thank you, Mika, for supporting us and for commenting. Go ahead and DM us. We'll go ahead and give you a discount code. We are going to be having a very huge Valentine's Day weekend sale on all of our bundles. Let's get started with the bundles. The first bundle that we're going to be showing is Jordan. She got a small style bundle. Her aesthetic is model off duty. She likes browns, greens, earth tones, patchwork stuff, oversized stuff, and she doesn't like leather, stripes, shorts, and dresses. And then the abbreviations that I put on the bottom, those are usually for accessories, so like fanny packs, backpacks. I just don't like writing the whole thing, and I'm blocking out the sizes obviously because that's like confidential. This is what we gave her. So for Jordan's bundle, we decided to give her a combo of some statement pieces and also some super versatile pieces. So we started off with this zebra print kind of strappy top. It looks a lot smaller than it actually is. We'll try to find a picture of what it looks like and show you guys, but it's super cute, and it, like, you can tie it however you want, so we think she'll really like that. And then we gave her this super cute cream and light brown, or maybe like beige-ish knit sweater vest, and it's like smaller, so it'll fit like cropped and stuff, so we think that'll be really cute. And then for pants, we gave her these dark like mocha brown trouser pants from Ann Taylor, and they're very like wide leggy, so I think it'll like fit her super like cute, and it's also super trendy. And then for her accessory, we wanted to do that brown green combo, so we gave her this like tie-dye long sleeve that has a super trendy pattern, and we think she's really gonna like it, and it'll look super cute with the pants or anything she decides to pair with it. So next we have Hannah. Described her aesthetic as casual soft femme. She likes sweatshirts, sweaters, and cardigans. And for dislikes, she only put that she doesn't like tops that are too tight in like the armpit area. And those are our inspo picks, and so this is what we picked out for her. So for this bundle, we ended up giving her this kind of tribal print low V crop top, which had ruffle details and ties in the back, and she had a bunch of tops like this, so we think she'll really like it. And then we gave her this mustard yellow cardigan that has these little jewel details that are super cute, and it has like a middle clasp, which is super trendy right now, and she loves cardigans and this kind of like color tone, so I think she'll really like it. And then finally we gave her these ASOS flare leggings that are tan, and it kind of just goes with the color scheme of like her Pinterest board and the outfit, so yeah, we think she'll like it. Next up, we have Jess. She got a medium style bundle, so she has 2 outfits. Her aesthetic is Y2K princess. She likes the colors pink, white, brown, light blue, and black. She likes corsets and bustier style tops, baby tees, faux fur trim, and sweaters and cardigans. She doesn't like high-waisted stuff, skinny fit stuff, floral stripe patterns, linen material, sweater vests, and shorts. These are the 2 outfits that we gave her. So for Jess's bundle, for her first outfit, we ended up giving her this plain white baby tee to go underneath this zebra print lace cami with like blue detailing. I actually got this in a bundle before, if you guys saw my video on my main channel. It's super cute. I just don't wear it that often, but it's super Y2K. And then we ended up giving her this Urban Outfitters pink tie-dye mini skirt that we think she'll absolutely love. And then for her accessories, I couldn't decide if I want to give her the chunky shades or like the flame shades. We'll see what she ends up getting. And then for her second outfit, we ended up giving her this just plain hot pink tank that's cropped to go underneath this adorable thrift find. I'm so obsessed with this little sweater. It has faux fur trimming, like she said she loves, this cheetah print fuzzy collar, and it is a little bit shorter, so I think it'll fit kind of like a little cropped sweater. And then to top off the entire look, we ended up giving her these low-rise Old Navy kind of flared trousers. They are so cute, and she loves low-rise stuff, and we gave her this pink belt to top off the entire look. Next up, we have Cecilia. Aesthetic is indie streetwear kind of. She likes oversized graphic tees and crew necks, cargo pants but ripped, baggy jeans, brown and navy blue, sweatshirts and denim jackets, and she also likes beanies, so I just like added that in. She doesn't like low-waisted stuff, corduroy pants, collared polos, skirts and shorts. So this is what we gave her. So for this bundle, we ended up giving her this kind of cream white, just like plain ribbed crop top. I love the little button details on this, super cute. And then we ended up pairing it with this oversized navy blue hoodie. It looks so comfy, and she said she loves navy blue, so this is absolutely perfect for her. And then for bottoms, we ended up giving her these ribbed light brown cargo pants. These are adorable. These were such a find, and they look so comfy, and she said that she liked her pants ripped, but the material of it, we couldn't really like rip it or like, you know, like distress it at all. And then finally, we actually ended up going with a white beanie instead. We felt like it was better with the outfit. So yeah. So next up, we have Lucy. She got a small style bundle, and her aesthetic is model off duty. She likes sweatshirts, cardigans, and blazers, and she doesn't like tights. This is what we decided to give her. So for Lucy's bundle, we started off with this super cute, just kind of like baby doll tank from Brandy Melville. It's just black, and it has little like frilly details at the ends. And then we decided to pair this with this kind of oversized chocolate brown pinstripe blazer, and it fits a little bit more oversized as well, but it's super cute. We love brown right now along with everyone else. And then we paired it with this kind of midi skirt from Mystic. Super cute, like such a little cute funky pattern, but also still very sleek, and it's like sheer, so we think she'll really love this. And then to top it all off, we gave her this black mini bag that you can adjust if you want it to be like crossbody or like shorter, like a shoulder bag. So yeah, that's her bundle. Next we have Romaine. She got a small style bundle, and her aesthetic is mall goth. She likes the colors black and pink. She likes long skirts, oversized graphic tees, corsets, just like goth clothing in general, and cardigans. She doesn't like yellow, orange, green, or blue trousers, pants, shorts, or dresses. She doesn't like low-waisted things, and she doesn't like long sleeve t-shirts. And this is what we decided to give her. So for Romaine's bundle, we ended up giving her the same black baby tee, the same angel design and everything, to go underneath this super cute lingerie top that has like black mesh heart details and like pink bows and everything. I think she'll really love it. And then she said she likes longer skirts, so this one fits more like a midi, but it's just this black kind of ruffled skirt from Is, and we love the like asymmetrical cut at the bottom, and it's just kind of like more ruffly and kind of like gothy at the same time. And for her accessory, we ended up giving her some fishnet arm warmers that she had in her Pinterest. Next up, we have Casey. She got a Bundle Brat special, so she doesn't get an aesthetic. She likes Ariana Grande, Clueless, Donna from Mamma Mia 2, and the only dislike that she put was that she didn't like fanny packs. So this is what we decided to give her. So for this bundle, we ended up giving her this rainbow striped turtleneck sweater. The color scheme of the stripes actually matched really well with the Pinterest pictures that she sent, and then she also is getting this kind of pastel green kind of raincoat, or more like just like a little jacket. I also got this in a style bundle, and it's super cute. It reminds us a lot of stuff that she had on her Pinterest. And then we gave her these Worthington white wide leg trousers that just go so well with the outfit, and she had a lot of trousers in her Pinterest board, so we think she'll love that. And then for her accessory, we ended up giving her an extra sweater, so we gave her this striped green and orange sweater. She actually has a bunch of Pinterest pictures where she has like this color combo, so we think she'll absolutely love this. And yeah, this is how her bundle turned out. So next up we have Lauren. She likes SZA and Rihanna, also Euphoria. She likes color and like funky patterns, sweatshirts, sweaters, cardigans, and blazers, and also purses, belts, and sunglasses. And she doesn't like tube tops or tanks, nothing low rise, light fabric, anything too tight, and super bright colors. So we love how this bundle turned out. We just went off of the vibe that her Pinterest board gave off, so this is what we gave her. So for Lauren's bundle, we actually ended up thrifting a top that was super similar to one of her inspo pics. It has a bunch of blue tones and brown tones and this really groovy, funky kind of pattern. And we love the lettuce trim at the bottom, and we didn't want to leave it up to her if she wanted to crop it or not, because it is a little bit longer. And for her outerwear, we ended up giving her this cropped brown cardigan that has these like bead details, super cool. And then one of her inspo pics has SZA, who's wearing this like little cardigan that's doing the little like safety pin trend, so we decided to do that with this cardigan. And then for her bottoms, she said she loves mini skirts, and we saw a few mini skirts on her Pinterest, so we gave her just this plain black one. And then for her accessory, we ended up giving her this brown shoulder bag that we think matches the entire look. I think it goes so well with everything, and I love the tones in this bundle. So the last bundle that we're going to be showing you guys today is for Bree. She likes Emma Chamberlain sweatshirts, sweaters, cardigans, and blazers, and she doesn't like the color pink, skirts and dresses, or animal print. What we decided to give her. For Bree's bundle, we started off with this vintage Nike crop top that we actually cropped ourselves, and it's super cute, just like a plain little graphic crop. And then we decided to give her this Zenobia pinstripe black blazer that'll fit her a little bit more oversized, super cute. And then we gave her these jeans that are actually so amazing. Look at like the button details and how it crosses over, and they're super baggy fit, and they have like holes in it, and it's just like very wide leg. We think that she'll absolutely love these. This is definitely like such an Emma Chamberlain kind of pant. And to top off the entire look, we saw a lot of like bright greens and blues, so we decided to give her this little blue mini backpack that we think will add a pop of color to this entire outfit. And yeah, we think she will really love it. Alrighty guys, so that is it for the bundles from this restock. Obviously, like I said, we had a bunch more, but it would just take way too long to show you guys all of them. I don't know when I'm gonna end up uploading this. we'll see. Our next restock is February 13th at 12 p.m. Pacific time, so make sure to set your alarms. We're really hoping to just stay active on this YouTube channel. We don't want it to go to waste, and you guys have such great ideas and you want to see so much from us, and we just want to give it to you guys and show you guys everything going on with Bundle Brat. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys.